Welcome to Great Choice. Top 5 Best Car Vacuum 2021. Top 1. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum, Cordless, 16V, CHV 1410L. Lithium-ion for long battery life and outstanding performance. Always ready, holds a charge for up to 18 months. Long life, lightweight, and no memory effect. Suction power 15.2 AW. Dust bowl capacity, 20.6 ounces. Smart charge technology uses up to 50% less energy, air watts, 15.2 watts, voltage, 16V max. Cyclonic action helps to keep the filter clean. Top 2. Portable car vacuum cleaner, high-power corded handheld vacuum W, 16-foot cable, 12V, best car, auto accessories kit for detailing and cleaning car interior. Keep your car professional level clean. No more crumbs, dust or dirt. With our This Works portable car vacuum cleaner you'll be free of any wet or dry messes, even liquids, cigarette ashes or pet hair. Powerful yet tiny, our handheld vacuum weighs only 2.4 pounds but has a high-power, 106W and 8.8 amps motor and metal turbine for the ultimate suction power. Top 3. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum, Cordless, Flexi Blue, HHVI 315J042. Dust bowl capacity 31.8 ounces. Lithium technology provides strong suction and extended run time, 1.5 Ah, increased bowl capacity, washable bowl and filter, crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas and brush for upholstery, wide mouth design for large debris and cyclonic action helps keep the filter clean and suction strong, lightweight and portable design. 10 hours, power rating, 10.8. Top 4. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Flex Handheld Vacuum Pet Hair Brush, Cordless, Gray, BDH 2020 FL. Dust bowl capacity 20.6 ounces. Strong suction and fade-free power. Suction power, 24 AW. Pet hair brush easily removes stubborn pet hair, easy to empty, washable bowl and filter for thorough cleaning. 3-stage filtration system prevents dust and debris from escaping. Weight, 3.2 pound. Top 5. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Handheld Vacuum, Cordless, Gray, BDH 2000 PL. Dust bowl capacity 15 ounces. Lithium technology for strong suction and fade-free power. Exclusive pivoting nozzle means huge power in a compact size. A high-performance motor provides superior suction capability. The cyclonic action spins dust and debris away from the filter, keeping suction power strong. 3-stage filtration system. Charge only at ambient temperatures between 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, and 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.